This crap is straight down. This is like an old four-wheeler trail. It's not even a logging trail. Probably hasn't been rode in, gosh, who knows how long. I could barely find it. There's pieces of it I couldn't even see. Yeah, straight down. At least it's not thick. You could walk it if you're a billy goat. Gosh, the view is awesome. I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Sure, there hasn't been anybody on this point in a long time. Strange thing is, the topographical map is messed up. Because this is a knob and then it goes down and then back up. This is the highest point on this ridge. Not even all the way up there is the highest, I don't think. I mean, it might be a little bit higher, but topo is definitely messed up in this one spot. Do you see it's four-wheeler trail? No. I see it down that ridge on down. So, yeah. Well, the brakes wasn't that great coming off that ridge. Didn't even notice that when I was coming through here earlier. So this is like a holler and it's all eroded. And yeah, sucker's deep. Oh, I'm not getting out of this easy. I'm gonna have to pick up the four-wheeler. I'd like to try to go up it, pour it down a little bit. I don't know. I'm not getting out of that easy. I can tell you that right now.